Excellent!
Guys, I am sorry this took me so long, and I actually don't normally do a video about this, which is picking giveaway winners, but I hope you bear with me because this week, actually the past few weeks has been a bit crazy, to say the least. But I had a 1 million subscriber giveaway that ended just about 2 weeks ago. I have not picked the winners or announced them yet. I'm gonna do that right now today, and I thought I'd share the process with you guys just to sort of explain things. Maybe you've wondered in the past how these giveaways actually work. Here's how I do it, at least. And the #1 prize in this giveaway is this system right here, which I built in a previous video, so feel free to check that video out if you want to see me put it all together. It has some pretty nice hardware in there, including a Core i5-9600K processor, a Corsair Hydro H60 all-in-one liquid cooler, Asus ROG Strix Z390-i gaming Mini-ITX motherboard, some Kingston HyperX memory, an RTX 2070 Mini from Gigabyte, an Intel 660p 1TB SSD, Corsair small form factor 600-watt power supply, and of course the Dr. Zaber Sentry 2.0 case, the black version, which is all housed in. Super tiny, and it's ready to go, so we need to pick a winner. In case you're wondering, there are actually going to be 10 winners picked today, and if the winners don't actually get in touch with me within about 24 hours of this video going up and me notifying them, I will be picking new winners. So the winners that you see listed in this video might not be the actual winners if they are lazy and don't check their email in time. So I use Gleam.io for my giveaways, and there's actually a list of old giveaways here going back almost 3 years. I believe Fractal Josh originally introduced me to this website. The most recent giveaway is the 1 million subscriber thank you giveaway, and you can see have not drawn the prize winners for that yet. This is the prize list for it. So not only is there this Sentry 2.0 gaming PC at the top, but there's some Corsair components and peripherals. There's some Enermax stuff in there as well. There's some NZXT stuff, and there's some Toshiba SSDs. So I will need to be choosing 10 winners. Here it is right here, and all I have to do is click draw winners, and it does the work for me. So here we go. And now the moment you've all been waiting for, draw. And there are the winners. We're gonna be blurring some of this stuff out because there is some personal information there, but you can see the entry number that they were, whether they entered towards the beginning of the competition or towards the end. And then of course it's got their email address and where their location was. The location is based on IP address, so locations don't always match up. Since this is an international giveaway, I have international winners. Next step is gonna be over here. And here I've made just a Google Doc with the prizes listed out and their links and everything. And here I'm just going to be marking down the winner for each one in order as they were drawn just now. Then I will be making an email, and I actually have a couple form emails that I've put together in the past for notifying winners because it's a little bit tricky. If you guys have ever won a giveaway, have you ever won a giveaway? Chances are maybe you haven't, but you've probably gotten lots of emails in the past that say, hey, you won a giveaway, and they're probably scams. And I'm always aware of that. So I try to make sure that when I'm notifying winners, I have all of the information possible that I can give them as far as how they won. Then I reference them to usually a tweet, but I'm actually gonna be referencing them to this video in particular. I'll tweet about it as well. And that way they can look and be like, hey, I just got this email that says I won. I can go look at what Paul just posted and confirm, wow, that is at least my first name and initial there and maybe the city that I live in. So that way the winner can look online to something that was just recently posted by me, hopefully via a legitimate channel like Twitter or YouTube, and then that can help them verify that they should answer the email. And of course I always give them the option, hey, if you have any other questions or if you want me to verify or validate in any other way, then please do so. But most of the time they just reply and say, hey, wow, I've never won something before, thank you so much. And I would say, having done giveaways not just on my channel but also in the past on Newegg, the response I usually get from the giveaways is really positive. We've had giveaways that I used to do back in the day where the winners were just kind of like, okay, send it here. But the winners I usually pick, I don't know whether I'm just lucky or something, they're almost always like, I've watched your channel for a while and thank you for this and that. And that really helps me because doing giveaways like this can often be challenging. And even when I have giveaways that maybe are just North America or otherwise, it seems like there's always somebody who comes back and was like, hey, you know, I'm not able to enter for this reason or whatever. And that sucks. I try to make them as open and as available as I possibly can. But getting that feedback at the end, especially if the prize goes to somebody who's appreciative, and especially if they've been a long-time fan, because that's really what I'm trying to do, is provide some level of reward to you guys if you've been following me, watching my channel, and giving me feedback for quite some time. And that's how it goes. So I will post a list down in this video's description and the comments that has all of the winners that I've just now chosen. I'm going to be posting that over on Twitter as well. So you should check your email if you entered in this giveaway, whatever email you used to enter. Make sure that you don't have an email from me because it's going to be 24 hours until this expires, and then I pick new winners for the prizes that are not claimed. I'll be following up about that on Twitter. I'm not planning on making another announcement video. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I know it's just been kind of a short, quick announcement, but for those of you who are kind of curious how the end process of a giveaway goes, maybe this is clarified a little bit for you. And hey, if you guys have any suggestions or ideas for other ways that I could do a giveaway or any other means that I can give back to you guys, because I'm always looking for ways to do that within reason, of course, please post those down in the comment section down below. I will check that out and see if there's anything I can do. And for all the winners who have just been chosen, big congrats, especially to the person who won this. Looking forward to getting this packed up and shipped and on its way. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Check out my more recent videos if you're interested in just kind of things that have been going on with me, because I do have a personal update that I've shared that hopefully explains a little bit more why I'm maybe lacking sleep and stuff. But I'm getting back into the swing of things. Thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.